Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some basic Spanish. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. And put your hands in the air if you're ready to learn some basic Spanish. Ready to learn some basic Spanish. I'm ready. Let's begin. Let's learn how to say hi in Spanish. Are you ready? Hi in Spanish is hola. How do you say hi in Spanish? Hola. Good job. If you said hola, you're correct. Bye. In English, it's adios in Spanish. Adios in Spanish. Good job. You're doing great. And you already learned 2 words. How are you feeling in English is ¿Cómo te sientes in Spanish? ¿Cómo te sientes in Español? Now, if you want to respond to that question I just asked you, here are 2 words you can say. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes!
Yeah, I know you're ready. You can either say happy in English, which means feliz in Spanish, or you can say sad in English, which means
Triste.
in Español. Good job. Good morning in English is buenos días in Español. What's your name? In English is ¿Cómo te llamas in Español. Good job. Can I hear you say ¿Cómo te llamas? Good job. You just asked, what's your name? I'm Ms.Zhanee, your favorite teacher. Yes, in English, is sí in Spanish. Good job. No, in English, is no in Spanish. They're the same. Good job. Let's count to 10 in Spanish. I want to hear you shout it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, now I feel much better after all of that counting and dancing. Let's finish learning some basic Spanish. Please in English is por favor in Spanish. Let's say it together. Please in English is por favor in Spanish. Thank you in English is gracias in Español. Good job. Let's try again. Thank you in English is gracias in Español. Help in English is ayuda in Español. Today in English is hoy in Español. Good job. How are you in English is ¿Cómo estás in Spanish. Good job. You did a good job. Good job. You did a good job. Good job. I'm so proud of you. You guys are learning Spanish. Nice to meet you. In English, it's mucho gusto. In Spanish. Nice to meet you. In English, is mucho gusto. In Spanish. Good job. I'm so proud of you. And guys, guess what? Can I tell you guys a secret? I'm also learning Spanish. I'm learning too. We are learning together. You can do this. I promise you. What time is it in English is ¿qué hora es? In Spanish. Garbage in English is basura in Spanish. Garbage in English is basura in Spanish. Good job. You're doing great. Homework in English is deberes in Spanish. Homework in English is deberes in Spanish. Good job. Help me, please, in English is ayúdame, por favor, in Spanish. Good job. Give yourself a round of applause. Guys, we learned so much today. I hope you enjoyed learning Spanish. Start using these words more often, and soon you'll be able to talk very fluent. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to click the subscribe button. I'm so proud of you guys. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you can do whatever you put your mind to. See you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed learning Spanish. Bye.